Knights of St. John International KSJI Benin God Commandery and Ladies Auxiliary don mark their 14th anniversary with ogbonge jollification wey shele for Saturday, April 12, 2025. Big people from different parts of Nigeria show face for the event, including Her Excellency Maryann Shaibu, wey be the wife of former Deputy Governor of Edo State. The ceremony dey packed full with plenty activities like cultural display, talk session, cake cutting, honor session and award presentation. One of the people wey collect award na wife of former Deputy Governor of Edo State, Maryann Shaibu, wey dem honor sake of the ogbonge work wey she and her husband, Comr Shaibu, don do for the community.
The grand respected from now till December. I want to see her. I want to come for her conversation. So it is your duty, my dear, to go back to our God and bring him so that you will also be. So, yes, and I'm giving her the ambassador of Ladies Auxiliary of Benin City. This is our one. I already have the small one. So hopefully before December, we should have the full number. And so it's the same way that other people. The Benin Grand Commander and Lords is celebrated.
No, you didn't get come. No, come. You didn't get it. You missed that shot. You were looking at your camera. You missed the shot. An important shot. You missed the shot. Beautiful, that's the shot.
The Grand President, Benin Grand Commander. I think I have laughed that one.
Very well.
But I didn't learn the others. So I will also stand on the very well established protocols. Thank you for this award. I stand on behalf of my husband. I just realized that we had a picture on the program. And so I'm sure we were both supposed to be here. So I stand on behalf of my husband to say thank you to the Benin Commandery. And I congratulate Right Honorable Chris Mubai, who is our friend, a colleague of my husband, a brother. Congratulations on your 14th anniversary. So I don't talk too much like the brother has already said.
Should I agree on what I told you?
That was
I want to refer this to my husband and just nicely ask Honorable Chris to please speak to his brother in acceptance of this award. Thank you so much, sir, and God bless you.
For her to talk with our Tory person, Madam Maryann Shaibu contrary salute to KSJI Benin leaders for the honor, say belle sweet her well sake of say dem recognize her effort to serve the people. She con tok say she and her husband go still dey committed to lift society up. She come also congratulate the organization as them clock 14 years and come hear them impact.
I am very happy and excited, and an award for me and my husband just shows that people appreciate us, and we still have God on our side. He has not left us alone. So we are grateful to God, number one, and we are grateful to the Knights of St. John's International for this beautiful award. And I also want to use the opportunity to congratulate Right Honorable Chris Umugbai, who is the Grand President of the Benin Commandery. He is celebrating his 14 years anniversary of the Commandery, and we want to felicitate with him because he's done well and he's still doing well. And I pray that God will continue to bless him and give him the ability to be able to pilot the affairs of the Commandery.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC News.